This air fryer mushrooms recipe is super easy, and my family absolutely loves it. Let me show you how to make these flavorful mushrooms in the air fryer with just a few simple ingredients.
For this recipe, I like to use 1 pound of cremini mushrooms or button mushrooms. Both work really well here. Cremini mushrooms have a little more flavor, while button mushrooms are a bit milder. Just make sure the mushrooms are clean but not wet, because too much moisture can keep them from cooking up as nicely in the air fryer. Try to pick mushrooms that feel firm and look fresh for the best texture. Next, add the mushrooms to a mixing bowl. Then it is time to add the simple seasonings that work really well with these mushrooms.
Add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil. Toss everything together until the mushrooms are evenly coated. Try to be gentle when mixing so the mushrooms do not break apart, especially if they are very fresh and tender. Next, put the mushrooms in your air fryer basket in a fairly even layer, with just a little overlap if needed, since the mushrooms will shrink as they cook. Then, air fry them in a preheated air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes, until they are cooked through and nicely browned around the edges. Shake the air fryer basket about every 4 minutes during cooking so the mushrooms move around and cook more evenly. These air fryer mushrooms are tender in the middle, a little chewy, and slightly crisp with nice browning around the edges. The seasoning gives them plenty of flavor, but they still go well with just about anything. If you like easy air fryer recipes, you will also want to try these crispy air-fried sardines here next. Even if you do not usually like sardines, this recipe will change your mind. They turn out crispy, flavorful, and are so easy to make.